Say hi, farm. We're in the farm. We're in the farm. Where's the donkeys? Go call the donkeys. Hi, and the sheep. Call the sheep. What's the sheep say?
Blah.
Wow. What about the donkey?
Yeehaw.
How about a chicken?
Fuck.
What about a rooster?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Good job. The pig. What's the pig say?
Oi.
What about the horse?
Hey.
Nay. What about the
Cow.
cow? What a
Turkey.
turkey. What's the turkey say?
Gobble.
Gobble.
Goat.
How about a goat?
Yeah.
Man. Good job, buddy. What else? How about a dog? Woof, woof. Good job. What else?
Quack.
The duck. Yeah, what the duck say?
Quack.
Quack. What else? The duck say quack, quack, quack. All right. So I guess we're going home now. Or we're done here. Going home.